Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Are you out of buttermilk? Don't worry, I got you covered. Today I'm going to share with you how to make homemade buttermilk or buttermilk substitute, and it only calls for 2 ingredients. Over here I have my measuring cup. We're going to pour in 1 cup of sweet milk, which is southern talk for whole milk. You can also use 2% to make it a low-fat version. Going to remove 1 tablespoon. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. You can also use fresh lemon juice. Give it a stir until it's well combined. Now we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what the milk looks like. See how curdled it is? And it's nice and thick? That's exactly what we want. Perfect. It looks just like buttermilk that you get from the store. And there you have it, my friends. That's how simple and easy it is to make your own buttermilk or buttermilk substitute. Great for biscuits, cakes, pancakes, cornbread, fried chicken, fried pork chops, you name it. Hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Many thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.